Rayleigh Small Innes here again. 4-pound test. Minnow and a crappie jig. We're about to go into the rocks. And he keeps pulling drag. 4-pound test. I don't know what he is. Let's see if we can get him up. Trying not to break the line. He's a little rod. Little teeny rod. This might take a while. Jig and a minnow, folks. Again. My wrist gonna be tarred. He's steady pulling drag too, folks. I'll wear him out eventually. With a big catfish rod, he's coming up. I have spent over a half hour getting a big catfish in. He's coming up, folks. He's getting tired. Whatever it is, probably a darn catfish. See if I can get us up off these rocks again. All right, he's coming. He's coming. He ain't happy about it. I don't want to tighten my, there he is. That's a cat, I think. I just barely saw his tail.
Oh yeah, oh my goodness.
Look here, folks. 4-pound test. That's what big dog daddy talking about, what? Let's see if I can get him in here.
Oh.
He just a baby. Hold on, big boy. 4-pound test. How many times did I say that? And in the boat, folks. Hooey! That's what I'm talking about. He's gonna bite me. Crappie jig, fella. Crappie jig. Oops. Look at there. Big old fat belly. We'll clean him, baby. She's shaking her head. All right, let's see if we can catch another. Pause it, baby.